Hey YouTubers, this is Marko with Marko Custom Fab Models. Just wanted to talk about this little Datsun that I was working on. It's an old MPC kit, and it was released. This one was a monster truck version, and all I had was just pieces. This is a kit that I just sort of just had a body. Like over here I have another one. I just have the body because it has a really bad twist in it, and a friend of mine had it, and he gave it to me, but I can straighten that. I'll use hot water and I'll put some pressure on it. I'll probably get that straight. I got another box floor, a box side, and anyway, with these few pieces that I had the monster truck version, which has the hood molded into the body, so I didn't cut it open. I just thought I'd do something different. I had a hole in the body for the supercharger that stuck through the hood, and this piece here was missing, and the whole front end flipped forward. So what I did was this truck somebody had painted red, and that's the way I got it. And other than I sanded it down and gave it this look, primarily I'm going to paint it another color, but this is the effect I actually want to get with it when I'm finished, just not yellow and red. So I filled this part in here. Yeah, I glued the front clip onto the cab, and then the box sides glued to it. I raised the floor up in the back. On the back I used a piece of a 61 Impala that somebody had built, and it was, you know, all glued up. So I cut the trunk lid out of that, and that gave me my rear tailgate, and added a piece of styrene in the bottom. The rear bumper is off of a Dodge D50 kit. I flipped it upside down, and then I chamfered the corners and glued on some styrene, and then shaped it so it matches the box sides. Bumper's pretty clever. It slides on. I made it fit in the in here with these little tabs that I made on the frame that I scratch built. I'll show you that. So you can see on the body where the on the underside where that piece is, I added. I used yellow plastic so it kind of matched. The box here, I want to take these wheel wells and I got to raise them up so they clear the tires, and do those yet. The chassis I scratch built with some styrene, and I Z'd the frame. Just put on a differential. I think that also came off that 61 Impala kit. I just wanted to put some leaf springs on here, and I got to build some front suspension detail, but the hood's not opening. You'll see the valve cover and some detail on the engine. The engine's got to be painted. This is an engine out of another Datsun kit. I think it's the Revell 4x4 kit, Datsun, like an 80s truck. And yeah, I think I had that lying around. The wheels are off the Chevy Van AMT kit. The interior tub, I cut the center section out and added a piece of round styrene in there as a tunnel for the drive shaft. And yeah, I got to do some more detail on it, but that's the chassis, so it's all scratch built. I'll show you a nice shot of the underside if you want to see it. So yeah, I just laid that out on a piece of paper and drew it up and then glued it all down. This is all with that plastic magic, so being that it's glued, it's like welded together. It's pretty strong. And then I got the idea how to fit the body on from the Japanese models. And so I raised the box floor up the width of these pieces of styrene because it was too low otherwise. Yeah, the way Japanese models go together, I made it fit in here. Fits in there, and then you just pop it in there. so it stays together. So yeah, the grill is, the headlights were all glued in and they were ugly, so I drilled them out. I'm gonna get some other headlights and put in behind. I have the original front bumper, fits in there, and then the lower valence I don't. So this is out of a Charger. I'm going to narrow it up and make that fit in. And then when it comes to the back bumper, put that back on. And then for the interior, I'm just using some seats, bucket seats. This is the original dash. I found one out of another kit somebody had built. Somebody painted it. I'll have to redo it. I also had the I got this dash out of something. I'm not sure what it's out of, but it's right-hand drive. I thought about making it a right-hand drive truck with that dash. Another option I thought about is using this Impala dash. Kind of fit in there kind of neat, so that's another option. Yeah, so I just thought I'd show you my little Datsun I'm working on. Some of the fun things I like to do is just take an old kit that somebody's discarded, or pieces of a kit, and make something out of it. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, if you like it, please subscribe, and have a good day.